little piece of code. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to open separate programs and websites direct to the website, not just open the web browser, it goes directly to the website. Okay, so before we start, I just want to say sorry, it's been a while since I uploaded. I've been really sick. I'm just getting over that now. So that's very good that it's going away. And yeah, and I'm actually working on a new project with someone I met online. He messaged me asking if I wanted to do a collab, and I said yes, because why not? That sounds like fun, doesn't it? So I'm not too sure how to pronounce his online name because I don't know, I just suck, I guess. But I listened to his video and I think it's Stagen X or Stagen or something X. That's all I know. So I think I'm pronouncing that right, but I'm not positive. If I'm not, I'm sure you're watching this. Just comment below, tell me how to pronounce it, and maybe I got it right, who knows. Alright, so we're just gonna hop in here and grab ourselves 2 buttons. There we go. And I know I need to make these longer because I already tried to record this, but I messed up. Alright, so we're just gonna rename it to Open Program. And the second button, we're gonna name it Open Website. Alright, there we go. Nice, easy, not too hard yet. Now we're gonna double click the Open Program. And it's very easy, just type shell, so C-H-E-L-L. Then our brackets and our quotes. Okay, so now we're gonna need the directory to our program, so I'm just gonna press the Windows button and the E on my keyboard, go here, go to your program files. Now it doesn't have to be in your program files, it could be anywhere on your computer. So we're gonna look for a program I want to open. We'll just use Google Chrome. And we're gonna get it, there we go, there it is. And now before we copy this is just gonna give the directory to the folder. We need it directly to the application itself. So we're gonna go up here, we're gonna put a backslash. And then we're going to type the name of the program, so Chrome, and then .exe. There we go, now we're going to copy that. We can actually close that, we don't need to minimize that, we can close it. There we go. And paste it in here. And now that's all you gotta do, that's it. Now for the open website, we're going to do system.diagnostics. Processes dot start our brackets and quotes and now the website, so http://www.youtube.com/watch ghost tackle. There we go. Alright, so that's all you gotta do, and that's a very fast, easy tutorial. I'll just show you it works now. If we do open program, here's my Google Chrome, and if we do open website, there is my YouTube channel. It's not really loading completely, but that's my YouTube channel. So yeah, you can do this with any program and any website you want. It doesn't have to be placed in your program files. It can be placed anywhere on your computer, but just remember, guys, if you do this, remember it might not be the same directory on everyone's computer, so just watch out for that, because say if you make a directory to open Google Chrome, or you send it to that directory on your computer, and you put it on your friend's computer, he may have it installed in a different place, and that'll just cause an error and it won't work. So I would recommend, if you're making a program like this, to make it so you can set the directory. If you want to know how to do that, I'll do that super fast because it'll only take me a second. Just grab a text box, put that somewhere, and instead of putting the website in here and the quotes, remove the quotes and the website. We're just gonna put text box 1.text. There we go. Now if we start it, we can just put a website, so http://www.youtube.com, and we just do open website, and there we go. So I'll go to whatever you put in that text box. But yeah, that's it. I gave you a little bonus